I'm trying to figure out how you keep going through tires quick. I work with idiots yet and they haven't blown any. Well, I guess I'm an idiot. So to answer your question, young man, this is bent. That's not supposed to be bent. So it cambers the tire, which causes it to wear more. All these parts are on back order, so it's been hard to get the part itself. That's why I just keep going through tires. But we're gonna look at that, get all that fixed, hit all these grease points that are all over here, and get them nice and lubed up. I'm gonna pop that. Load that back in that grease gun like that, boy. Yo. If I can get it screwed in, stuff that motherfucker tight, boy. Peace.